Hi everybody, Chris Winkelman here to talk about probably the oldest, most used cookware produced in history that I'm sure all of you are familiar with. That's right, cast iron cookware like your great-grandparents, grandparents, and parents use daily. Raising generations of family by cast iron cooking is all thanks to Joseph Lodge, who created a legacy of quality that's thrived even through 2 world wars, the Great Depression, and to this day. Cooking with Lodge, cast iron has no limits, from everyday use at home to camping or wherever you want to make good food. Some cooks have made a real art form out of cast iron cooking. Here's a few of my traditional favorites. Here is the traditional Lodge frying pan. I'm sure everybody has seen these. They're wonderful. What an easy way to do a couple of fried eggs. And in here, fry some chicken. It's deep enough for that, and they last forever and ever. And here we have a pre-seasoned griddle, but you've got the grill on one side, it's reversible, and then you've got the griddle on the other side. And that's awesome, mostly if you're camping, that works real well. Also, it works right on your stovetop. This is a pizza pan, but you can do so many things from biscuits to even cookies on this pan. This is an awesome one to have. Now this one's very handy as well. This is a seasoned steel skillet. My God, you can't believe how many chicken breasts you can do in here. I mean, even steaks you can do in this one. This one's fabulous. And here we have seasoning spray, a brush, and a scraper to keep your cast iron in tip-top shape. Okay guys, this is one of the best things ever. Enamel cast iron cookware. From baking dishes to pie plates. Easy cleanup, and also it's so nice because it cooks nice and even. Then you get to one of my all-time favorites, the Dutch oven. I mean, it's so sturdy, it's so heavy, and from hearty chilies to spaghetti sauces, it's all done in here. Any wild game you want to put in there, it'll do the job. I don't know about any of you, but I bought some woks in my life, and they become oblong, they don't hold their shapes, and they don't do a very good job. But this one does. It is cast iron, it's hard, and it distributes the heat perfectly to cook all of your great vegetables and any kind of a dinner that you'd like to make in it. Gosh, you guys, I could just go on and on about Lodge cast iron, everything, but I did want to take a few minutes to share that since 1896, Lodge has been making the cookware you love. Heirlooms that have brought people together for generations. So I hope you'll venture into the world of Lodge cookware. It's the only brand to choose. You can study their complete line and even quickly order what you want at Winkelman.com. I'm Chris Winkelman.